Hi class, are you ready to learn? Let's start!
Hi class, so for this video, I am going to have a short tutorial for your art activity. But first, let me tell you what is the meaning of weaving. Weaving is a method of textile production in which two distinct sets of yarns or threads are interlaced at right angles to form a fabric or cloth. Other methods are knitting, felting, braiding, or even plaiting. So, come on, please watch the simple tutorial for you to have a very simple and your very own paper mat weaving. Okay, so for our paper mat weaving, the materials that you will be using is first, of course, you need to have a pair of scissors. And then after that, you have to prepare at least 3 colors of colored paper. It's up to you kung anong color yung prefer ninyong gamitin for this one. Okay? So, in my case, I have chosen yellow, red, and blue. So, start natin. Blue yung gagamitin kong base for our paper mat weaving. So, meron na akong na-fold dyan, but I will show you how to do that. So, fold it in the middle. Ayan. Crosswise. After that, i-fold ulit. Ayan. Para meron kayong magiging pattern. Ayan. You will have your pattern. Then after that, fold it once again. Para at least, kahit hindi kayo gumamit ng ruler, you already have the pattern. So after that, buksan. So, guguntingin nyo na ngayon tong paper according dun sa naging pagfa-fold ninyo. Ayan. Huwag nyong isasagad. Just enough. Para at least kahit may gupit pa rin, isang buo pa rin yung paper. Yan. After that, itong nagupit nyo na, gupitin nyo pa siya sa middle. So, another cross, another fold. Yan. Para mas mabilis, pwede rin naman na gupitin nyo na siya ng ganito. Pero para mas pantay, i-open nyo pa ulit yung paper. Yan. So, ito yung magiging base ng paper mat weaving nyo. Yung red, ito naman yung gagamitin ko na unang ipapasok sa loob ng base natin. So, i-fold lang din siya crosswise. Another fold para meron na tayong palatandaan. Mas maliit, mas marami, mas maganda ang kalalabasan. Okay. So, gupitin yung bawat linya na nakikita ninyo. Ayan. Okay. So, ito na yung unang cut na paper na natin. Next naman, ganun din yung gagawin natin for our yellow. Fold ulit, crosswise. Second fold. And then, ayan. Ganun ulit. I-cut natin ulit per line. Alright. So, ngayon, ang gagawin niyo dito, ipapasok niyo siya dito sa bawat cut part ng base natin. You enter it alternatively. So, alternate yung magiging pagpasok. Yan. And then, you will do the same sa yellow, pero alternate din kung paano nyo siya pinasok sa red. Yan. Okay. At uulit-ulitin nyo to sa bawat part. Yellow naman ulit. By the way, class, if you want to choose or if you want to create different colors, more than 2 colors for this paper mat weaving, you may do so. You may combine at least 3 to 4 colors, say for example, red, yellow, green, blue, violet, orange. So, it's up to you kung ano yung gusto ninyong i-combine na color aside from this one. Yan. Okay. Ayusin pala natin yun sa yellow part, okay? So, dapat nakaibabaw siya. Ayan. Alright. Next, we have another one for yellow. Ayan. And after that, you now have your very simple art activity, which is what we call the paper mat weaving. So, I hope na magawa nyo to, class. So, thank you very much. And God bless us all. Pagbutihan ninyo. And thank you for watching this simple tutorial video on how to create a paper mat weaving. Goodbye!